Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. In this episode, we're gonna take a look at the preparations for Ramadan on the street, where they shop, how they get prepared, shops, the market. Right now I'm in Fatih, the local area where I lived for 10 years. There is a street called Malta Çarşısı near Fatih Mosque. It's one of the very local traditional area to buy your Ramazan shopping. So first we're gonna take a look at there, and then we will go to the Spice Bazaar, famous in Eminönü.
Kaliteli hurma, şahane hurma.
Gerçi şu anda yok da. Yok.
Now let's go. If you can collect fresh grape leaves, I have a video on how you can preserve them. Check the links. So we just crossed the famous Malta shopping street. You saw all kinds of dates, people trying to buy in a reasonable price. It already got high. Every time you go, it gets more higher. People still buy it, thinking that it's gonna be the cheapest price of the year ahead.
İki tane portakal sıktım bana, ne haber?
Ha,
Tabii.
güzel.
Şuraya baksana güzelliğine. Nefis oldu.
When I last came, I made these poğaças and put it into freezer for these times.
Bak sanki bugün yaptım.
It's the next day and we are in Eminönü in front of the Spice Bazaar. It's from 17th century. If you are coming to Istanbul, one of the first place to visit as a tourist is here. Also, it's a very local place where you shop for many things like spices, delicacies. In Karaköy along the Bosphorus, they used to buy fish. It's famous with the fish and bread. But we're gonna go from here. So let's begin.
Gerçi şu anda yok da. Yok. Geliyor
You see many national channels also come here to film.
Bu hurma. Kaliteli hurma, şahane hurma. Tadına bak, Alman şart değil. Bu doktor tavsiyesi. Kamerayı güzel çektiriyor. Sesi güzelleştiriyor.
Geçen sene ne kadardı bu?
Geçen
Unuttum ben.
sene 140 TL'ydi.
Ha iyi inmiş, süper.
Geçen sene 140 TL, 130 TL.
As you see, the first thing you see is dates.
Ramazan'a bayrama hazırlık. Ramazan ürünleri.
Bu yağlı mı?
Bir tane yersin, ne kadar yersin.
İyi abla ha. Abla ha. Bura bura bura bura bura bura bura bura bura bura bura.
Şuna bakabilir miyim?
Balıkesir bandırma.
Böl çok.
Balık hadi ya oğlum.
There are many kinds. These are new. You see.
Geliyor mu 75? 75 lira. Yaz bak abi 75.
If I would come during Ramadan, I wouldn't be able to taste it. It's the last couple of days to taste.
Beyazlara gel beyazlara. Beyazlara gel beyazlara.
Isn't it luxurious? It's a historical fountain. You can just grab tastes from the cheeses, olives, and then wash your hands here. So you see, there are a lot of things for breakfast. The cheeses, olives, and one of them is sucuk. We buy. These dried eggplants and peppers. It is for making stuffed peppers, dolma. I have the recipe, just check for the links. It's very delicious and flavorful, especially when you make with dried eggplants and peppers. These are called köme or sucuk, sweet sucuk. It has walnuts in it, dipped in syrup. I cannot talk because of him. Another shop for pickles. Of course, the tomato and red pepper paste is must have. It's finally spring, but we still have salep drink. I again have the recipe. But the real salep is very expensive. It's like 1,500 Turkish lira right now. But you can buy it from here. They don't sell outside Turkey because it's very less. You cannot find it. We entered to the spice bazaar. In many videos I told you about the spice, especially the peppers. There are many different kinds. Pul biber, we have sweet and hot, extra hot. Sumac is sour, especially good for dolmas and salads. This kind of mix. But I would prefer to buy this one. They don't go too much for with mixes, but the plain ones are better, I think. Dried mint also very common to use in Turkish cuisine. This is isot. This is more smoke flavor has. It is used for çiğ köfte in southern part of Turkey. They use it a lot. They also have smoked paprika there. Ben de yaptım. Okay, back to the street. Right now I can smell the Turkish coffee. It's a must-have to buy from here for locals and also for tourists.
We didn't have much time left. We needed to go back home. My daughter had an exam, so we decided to eat here. It's a small buffet. We usually come here when we go to shopping with my mother-in-law, my mom. It's an old place for us to quick stop.
Evet, buyurun. Bedelli vardı. Ben de onu takip edemedim.
We are in Sirkeci. It's about almost 5 p.m. I had some shopping. We're gonna have our dessert. My daughter wants to have künefe. I don't know. She might change it. Behind me you see the Yeni Cami mosque here. It looks so beautiful. It just renewed. It's very shiny. And behind me there is a famous candy shop, very authentic from 19th, I think. They have Turkish delights, all different kinds of candies, full cookies. I don't know what this is. This one, almond paste, ayçöreği. I have this recipe, simit. I have the recipe poğaça, açma, poğaça. We're gonna continue to here.
You want bill?
These looks very appealing, but it's not traditional.
Hayır, en iyisi kola.
Erzurum'dan yemek ister misin? The sweet shop was very crowded, so we decided to come here to eat in open air with the scent of the sea. It's been long time I haven't tried. It's very crunchy, but not that much. It would have been nice to have some tea before we leave, but it's already almost 5:30. I'm gonna do my afternoon prayer and then head back home. It's gonna take probably another 2 hours with the traffic, so I have to go. I'm at Sirkeci train station. I hope you enjoyed 2 days with me. I tried to show the excitement of Istanbul, how people shop for Ramadan, how excited people are. Write down in your comments how it is where you live, in Pakistan, India, in Europe, United States. Ramadan is going to be everywhere around the world. So just write down what do you do, what's the difference, what do you buy special for this month, and how do you plan to observe it. Stay tuned for the special recipes during Ramadan I'm gonna share. I have many menus for iftar. Please do check them from my archive. I shared many already and will be sharing new ones, and stay tuned. See you next time.